guys, welcome again to my channel. Today let's solve this math challenge which says open bracket x plus 9 close bracket to the power of 2x equals to 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of x equals to what? So you are looking for the possible value for x. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and please turn on the notification button, and also don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to like this video. So let's provide a solution to this challenge. Solution. Okay, solution. Then write the question which says x plus 9 to the power of 2x, okay, which is equals to 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of x. So from here, from this right hand side, we are going to apply the indices rule, which says we are having a to the power of b times a to the power of b times a to the power of c is equals to a to the power of b plus c, because since these b's are the same, you pick them as 1. So from here we are going to have this to be x plus 9, okay, to the power of 2x is equals to 7 to the power of x plus x. So from here, what are we simply going to do? We're now going to have x plus 9 to the power of 2x, okay, equals to 7. X plus x is going to give us 2x, okay. So having done this, so this is what we are now having. This is what we are now having. So at this right hand side, we are going to apply a rule which says if we are having a to the power of b times c is also equals to a to the power of b or to the power of c. So if we put this through here, we have this to be, we simply have this to be x plus 9 or to the power of 2x equals to 7 to the power of 2 or to the power of x, okay. So this is what we are now having. So from here we can see here is now x plus 9 close bracket to the power of x equals to 7 to the power of 2 is same as 7 times 7, which is 49. So we are having here to be 49 to the power of x, okay. So we'll now say x plus 9 or to the power of 2x is equals to 49 to the power of x. So from here we'll multiply both powers by 1 all over x. So if we do that, we're going to have this to be open bracket x plus 9, having x here, x plus 9 to the power of 2x times 1 over x is equals to 49x times 1 over x, okay. So from here we can see that this will go with this, then this will go with this. So what are we left with? We are left with open bracket x plus 9 or to the power of 2 is equals to 49. So further we can have this to be x plus 9 or to the power of 2 equals to 49. So this is what we are now having. So from here we can actually apply two methods in solving this. So the first method, you can say the first method, or you can simply call it method 1, but for me I'm calling it first method. Okay, for the first method, from here we are going to apply the rule which is a plus b all square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if we apply this rule here, we simply have this as x square plus 2 times x times 9 plus 9 square equals to 49. Okay, so from here we have this to be x squared plus 18x plus 81 equals to 49. So from here we are going to bring this to this other side, so we'll simply have this to be x squared plus 18x plus 81 minus 49 equals to 0. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So since we are having this, we can simply say x squared plus 18x plus 81 minus 49 is going to give me 32 equals to 0. Okay, it's going to give me 32 equals to 0. So 81 minus 49 is 32. So 32 is same thing as 16 times 2. So since we're not having this, it's more or less like a quadratic equation. So it's a quadratic equation now. So 32 is the same thing as 16 times 2. So this quadratic equation, we want to solve this quadratic equation using the factorization method. If you want to use the factorization method, we are going to look for numbers that by the time we multiply those numbers, that is going to give us 31. If we add those two numbers, it's going to give us 18. So we now said 32 is equals to 16 times 2, and 18 is equals to 16 plus 2. So 16 and 2 are the numbers we can use to solve this equation. So therefore we can say x squared plus 18x plus 32 is equals to 0. So since we find out that it's 16 and 2 can be used, we can say x squared plus 16x plus 2x plus 32 equals to 0. Okay, so from here we are simply going to put a bracket in it. We are simply going to put a bracket. So if we put the bracket here, okay, and put a bracket here. So from this bracket we can see that something is common, and that which is common at this part is x. So we can say x, open bracket, x plus 16 plus here something is common, which is 2 open bracket, x plus 16 equals to 0. So from here we now say x plus 2. Okay, so this and this are common, we'll pick them as 1 times x plus 16. X plus 16, this is 16, okay, equals to 0. So we equate by the product rule. So x plus 2 equals to 0, then x plus 16 equals to 0. So from here we can say x is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to minus 16. So these are the values of x. So we can say this one is x1 and x2. So x1 is equals to minus 2 and x2 is equals to minus 16. So we want to use the second method. So if we are going to use the second method, we're going to use the second method. So let's see the second method. You can say second method. So if we are using the second method, so for the second method, recall we said we're now having x plus 9 square is equals to 49, right? When we resolved. So this is what we're now having. So if we want to use the second method, what we are simply going to do is to square root both sides. So if we should square root both sides, we'll have something like this. Square root of x plus 9 all square equals to the square root of 49. So if we square, so this and this will go, we are left with x plus 9 is equals to the square root of 49 is going to give us plus or minus 7. Okay, so from here we can say x plus 9 is equals to 7, comma, then x plus 9 is equals to minus 7. So this is positive 7 and this is negative 7. So for the first one, we can say x is equals to 7 minus 9, okay, which is x is equals to minus 2. So for the second one, we can say x equals to minus 7 minus 9, okay, then x is equals to minus 16. You can see that irrespective of the method we use, we are still having the same values for x. So we can say x1 is equals to minus 2 and x2 is equals to minus 16. So these are the values of x. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye, and see you in my next video. God bless you and Jesus loves you. Thank you.